Welcome to my marina. I figured I'd give you all a sneak peek. This is one of the finest marinas for the price at any rate. For any price at that rate. Not too many places better than this. There's a lot of yachts here. And they all got a story to tell, I'm sure. But the story we're all here to see, or hear, should I say, the tale that's about to unfold. Those are some nice boats, aren't they? Is about how the end of our pier just fell in the water. Must have been about 150 feet or more. It's a road. Cars drive on it, park on it. I've been out on there hundreds of times, and it just fell in the water. Before we get there, we're going to look at some of these nice boats as we go by. I'm using an iSteady Pro. It's a gyroscope. Holds the camera real nice and steady. Yeah, iSteady. There's some beautiful boats here. Let's see. Some funny names on some of these boats. Fancy boats. That one came all the way from Canada, I think. It's for sale. Get it? Sale. Here's my boat. Little Cindy May with the Cindy May Jr. sitting proudly on the bow. Up the gangplank we go, mateys. This is the main pier. This is the one what fell in the water, believe it or not. See how all these cars proudly parked up here? Trucks. There it is, my super scooter. Scooty McScooter. An Italica Spectra. Super powered, by the way. Super powered, yeah. We go all of about 45 miles an hour with my fat butt on it. Lighter person, 50 miles an hour, maybe. But here's this fancy pier that I live on. I mean, it's strong as HE double, isn't it? All these cars parked proudly on here. Right next to your boats you can. Not too many places let you do that. Here's a big commercial dive salvage boat, I guess. It's a nice big boat. It's beautiful. Big blue water sailboats out here in the 50-foot class. Giant catamarans. As you can see, it's a nice solid pier. It's been here since the Navy had their boats out here. They had 500 boats out here. Some big old trawlers and power boats out here. There's a giant wooden boat. It's about 100 feet long. Some other fancy boats. Nice, very nice. Oh, real nice. Millionaire nice. You just never know what you'll see out here. But I was just casually cruising along, and I always open it up once I get past there because there's no more, boats. And then son of a beaver waxer. over 150 feet of dock just fell into the water with a really nice clean break on it. Wow. We really could have went Dukes of Hazzard style off of there if I hadn't looked at the last second. I was just out here 2 or 3 days ago, went all the way to the end there where the pillars are. There was all road. Now it's gone. Bummer.